0.3-degree error, though small, cost me my job. But I became even more convinced that data must be accurate and transparent. The 4 to 20 milliampere sensor data transmission is unstable. The physical values displayed on site are different from those in the database, and remote real-time monitoring is not possible. These issues must be resolved. I want to build a unified data collection platform based on a web controller. I want to build a digital twin system that can reflect energy usage in real time and accurately.